Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is LYT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to count numbers Microsoft Excel file. So for this case we will go to the Microsoft Excel file. Here this is, so we will first of all find the things. So here the auto sum and the count number. So how, let's do it. So here first of all select how many. So also we can see the here count 5, sum 5, average 1. See, automatically that has been shown. But when we will do the manual things, count, see the things 5. Overall, we can also do the things here. How many count? This is the average. No, I want the count number. See, the thing has been 120, show the average, and the thing has been 16. That means the 16 number has been here. So in this way we can do these things. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.